Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some Hindu vocabulary words. Cox, which is a verb meaning fuslana or persuade. Synonyms: wheedle, cajole. Antonyms: dissuade. Example: the trainees were coaxed into doing boring work. Imperative, which is an adjective meaning peremptory. Synonyms: commanding, imperious. Antonyms: submissive. Example: the bell pealed again, a final imperative call. Intemperate, which is an adjective meaning atyadhik or immoderate. Synonyms: excessive, undue. Antonyms: moderate. Example: there have been intemperate outbursts concerning global conspiracies. Fierce, which is an adjective meaning bhayankar or ferocious. Synonym: savage, vicious. Antonyms: gentle. Example: fierce fighting continued throughout the day. Extirpate, which is a verb meaning saaf karna or weed out. Synonym: destroy, eradicate. Antonyms: found. Example: timber wolves were extirpated from New England and more than a century ago. Durable, which is an adjective meaning tikau or long lasting. Synonym: hard wearing, heavy duty. Antonyms: flimsy. Example: porcelain enamel is strong and durable. Underscore, which is a verb meaning bal dena or highlight. Synonym: emphasize, stress. Antonyms: underplay. Example: the surveyor's report didn't underscore anything untoward. Strident, which is an adjective meaning kathor or harsh. Synonyms: raucous, rough. Antonym: soft. Example: that strident woman insists on telling everybody what she thinks of them. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.